If you're looking for the best EDC gear, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. We even read countless reviews from actual users. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you'll buy one of the best products available today. Now, let's get started.
Ten. 9. Eight.
This is the Devour by Gerber. Backpackers are concerned with weight, functionality, and versatility. That's why we designed the Devour to be an all-in-one meal prep, cook, eat, and clean tool. Functions include long tine fork, deep basin spoon, and flat edges on the side for cutting and scraping. Anybody that's been camping understands that oftentimes you're dealing with less than sanitary conditions. We've designed in a kickstand feature. It also hooks to the rim of a pot or pan to keep it from sliding into your meal. Attached to the back of the Devour is a 6-function multi-tool that includes serrated package opener, can opener, a bottle opener, a pry bar, small flathead driver, and large flathead driver. And lastly, the Devour's anodized aluminum and stainless steel construction altogether weighs less than an ounce. The Devour is available in silver, onyx, flat sage, and burnt bronze. All told, the Devour multi-fork features 9 functions in a compact, lightweight package.
7. 6, 5,
This is the Prybrid utility from Gerber. Two things that Gerber's done really well for a long time is blades and solid state tools. The Prybrid utility combines both of those into a compact form factor. The Prybrid utility is safe and easy to carry with 3 slide lock positions: closed, open, and exchange. The G10 scale material is durable and provides enhanced grip on the job. A pass-through slot in the frame allows you to cut cord and wire in the closed position. It also includes a lanyard hole for easy carry. Prybrid utility offers 8 tools, including full-size utility blade, cord cutter, bottle opener, large flathead driver, wire stripper, nail puller, small flathead driver, and pry bar. It's available in OD green and tactical gray. Perfect for carrying in a pocket or on a keychain, the Prybrid utility offers tremendous function in a compact factor.
4,
Today at CRKT, we are taking a look at the Leon Ma designed Eaton tool. This is one of our very most popular products of all time, and with good reason. Basically, it is a glorified spork, a spork on steroids, if you will. You've got your spoon there, as well as your fork tines right there. You got a bottle opener that works very nicely. Right here we have a cutout for your hand so you can grip it nicely. And the thing about that is it's going to cut down on the weight significantly. This tool only weighs 1.5 ounces. So if you're looking for something for backpacking or just something light for your kit, for your car kit or camping, this is a great little tool. You've got a little flathead screwdriver there, kind of a chisel point on the end right there. And then you've got 3 metric wrenches. You've got a 10 millimeter, an 8 millimeter, and a 6 millimeter. Comes with a carabiner, so you can clip it to your backpack, clip it to your pants, your gear, that sort of thing. Now I love this tool. I have a black one myself. I take it camping all the time and highly enjoy it. It comes in black as well as your orange. I believe we call that tangerine is the official color name on that one. Fuchsia, which is to say pink, and we have a yellow one as well. The colorful ones have a little bit more high visibility, so you're less likely to lose it in camp. So keep that in mind when you're selecting your color. Anyway, it is a very cool tool designed by Leon Ma and available all over the place. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to visit our website. And thank you for buying, using, and eating off of CRKT tools. Thanks and have a great day.
3,
This is the Suspension Next by Gerber. The Suspension Next takes its inspiration from the many bridges of our hometown, Portland, Oregon. It's low profile and has a clip for pocket carry instead of hip carry. Despite its compact size, the Suspension Next doesn't compromise on function with 15 tools. Tools include needle nose pliers, standard coarse tooth pliers, and wire cutters. Scissors, medium flathead driver, ruler, file, wire stripper, large flathead driver, awl, bottle opener, can opener, small flathead driver, cross driver, partially serrated blade. It's a familiar butterfly open design with spring-loaded pliers. Locking outboard tools offer safe, convenient operation. To complement the pocket clip, it also features an integrated lanyard hole. The Suspension Next is designed for the EDC user who requires a fully featured multi-tool that's pocketable for the commute.
2,
The MicroStream USB is an ultra-compact personal light that fits comfortably in the palm of your hand or in your pocket. It makes for a great light to carry on a daily basis. And for those times you need to be hands-free, the convenient pocket clip attaches to the visor of your hat. And because the light is made of anodized aluminum, it's durable and abrasion resistant and will hold up to daily use. This light might be small, but is extremely powerful. The black light comes on low level to conserve battery life and can be changed to high with a double tap of the switch. The Coyote comes on high and simply can be changed to low with a double tap of the switch. To lock the light in the level that you have set, simply click the switch. The lithium-ion battery can be charged in the light using a USB cable. Simply slide the head forward to expose the USB port. It also features a battery charge indicator, red for charging and green for fully charged. For more information about these and our entire lineup of durable products backed by more than 45 years of reliable performance.
1. This is the Dime. It's a clever mini multi-tool you can attach to a keychain. It contains 10 tools. In addition to butterfly opening stainless steel spring-loaded needle nose pliers, wire cutters, a fine edge blade, spring-loaded scissors, flat driver, tweezers, lanyard ring, and a fine and coarse file. The Dime includes the retail package opener, a blade that safely cuts and scores plastic packaging. The Dime's bottle opener is exposed even when the tool is closed. Store this cool little multi-tool in a pocket, a purse, or keep it on a key ring. This is the Dime.